For some of us, if one has to add up to its cost of wear on a particular day, it will not add up much, and probably most expensive thing on you will be your pair of shoes. But that's not the case with the Commander-in-Chief of Kenya. He's quite a price from head to toe. Don't think of the suits and shoes only. Think watches. Besides that, Arnold and Son HM Perpetual Moon model, President Uhuru has a lot of other top of range watches in his collection, making him Kenya's #1. In his tour in central Kenya, he was spotted rocking a 2.5 million watch at Sagana State Lodge. He had gone to campaign and asked people to just register as voters. And out of nowhere, people saw a watch worth 2.5 million. Check out the list of the most expensive watches that he owns. The most expensive one in his collection of watches is the Datograph Perpetual Tourbillon Platinum with dial in black. This model was introduced in 2016. The dial is crafted from the solid silver and graced with solid gold appliques and hour markers. I hope that I pronounced right. The hands are made of rhodium gold and blue steel. It costs 298,000 euros, which is almost an equivalent of 34 million Kenya shillings. Now, another expensive watch in his collection is Audama's Piguet Royal Oak. I hope I pronounced it right too, which cost a whooping 48,000 USD. That is around 4.8 million. Now, number 3. President Uhuru has a Rolex GMT-Master II, which is estimated to be 11.15. That is 11,150, an equivalent of 1.15 million Kenya shillings. He owns a Patek Phillipe Nautilus series, valued at 26,000 USD, which is roughly around 2.6 million Kenya shillings. This equals a Subaru Impreza, by the way. Arnold and Son, the most, let's call famous. The Arnold watch was visible on Uhuru's wrist when he was briefing the media on the voter registration drive at Sagana State Lodge. Now, of course, a man of such opulent sophistication cannot lack a Rolex in his collection of watches. This is something that is proud of, and also owns a Rolex Submariner, which is valued at 1.5 million Kenya shillings. He also has another 2.5 million watch in his collection, the Parmigiani Pershing series. Wow, I don't know if I'm pronounced those names well, but man, this guy is just among the top richest men in Kenya, and you expect him to have a collection of watches. Some of the rich guys in Kenya own expensive cars. Talk of Kirubi's 40 million Mercedes. Talk of the Cadillacs we see in Westlands. I don't know who owns them. Maybe in the next series I'll come up with that video. Keep watching and subscribe to the JK channel, and you'll be surprised with much more.